We live on 2 accounts.
See, like where is
Why am I like this here?
Yeah, Papa.
Why do I have lashes?
What? No, because you always
You have
smoke
lashes.
like.
Maybe it's a filter.
What's that smell of it? Just smell of it.
No.
Steven Zan.
What the fuck?
Steven Zan. Yo,
Yo.
What's Steven Wenzani, dog?
I'm gonna be 5.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be 5, Nyabona, as you can see. But he kissed.
But his take, didn't you say he's not your type? said that.
What did I say? I
said that.
manga.
She said that, guys.
Kiss. Kiss.
She said that, guys.
Kiss.
Those were on the...
Someone said
You
kiss.
hear him,
Someone said kiss.
Yeah, I think we have been seeing that.
Someone said kiss.
Yeah, I think we have been
Oh,
seeing
you want
that.
us to kiss, guys? Oh.
Oh, no, fuck no.
Yo.
Oh, we Steve man,
They didn't want me to kiss them.
Yo.
So like guys,
She was playing,
so
but I
like-
didn't say it, guys.
guys, we look good together, nah?
We look good together.
Yeah, we look good together, guys.
So it's a...
We make a good couple.
We make a good couple.
Yeah, we should kiss.
Yo.
I think, yeah, we've been seeing that comment and we are not...
Like Sponero gives me such nice eye contact, guys.
Guys, this is Steve.
Yo, someone said deep kiss. Nah, you hungry? Yo. Why do I have lashes, bro?
This is Steve. You know, whenever like it's me and you and me and him and your friend Steve. Wait, is that? Oh, I thought it's guapo. I'm like, fuck no.
I have lashes.
Yeah, but she did not say that. She kept saying nice
things about you.
Yeah, that's the truth.
I'll act slow and I'll just take it. Man, Steven Zan, man.
Yo.
We are TSB, man. I can't come to TSB today. She said I'm not going anywhere today. Skis, guys. Yo, stay.
Wait, guys, like put your phone here. Put your phone on your forehead. Wait. Put your phone on your forehead. Put your phone on your
But I
forehead.
second.
Dog, put your phone on your forehead.
Yo.
Yeah, bitch. I just made you my bitch.
Yeah.
Guys, we just wanted to greet, ne? I feel violated. You are. You can literally open a case.
Where's my key?
Your key. I don't know.